You can say that I like things fast, not because my supercar shoots the plane, but because I have infinity internet. With all the laptops, smartphones, and tablets, I need more speed than ever.
Easily, sir.